How to download Pinterest video. That's what I will show you today. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. Now, as you might know, there's no way to download a video from the Pinterest app itself. However, there's an easy workaround that we can use, which goes like this. Open up the Pinterest app and then go to the video that you want to download. Say, for example, this one. And once you do this, click on the three dots at the top right of the screen and then copy the video link. Once the link has been copied, you need to go ahead and open up any browser you have and search for Pinterest Video Downloader. Now, as you can see, you will find a lot of results, but basically you can choose any one of them as they all do the same job and work the same way. So I will choose this one, for example. And what you need to do right here is you need to paste the video link that you copied in this field and then click on download. And your video will be ready, as you can see right here. And you can just click on download the video file, and just like this, then click on the three dots and click on download, and your video will start to download. So it's that easy and simple. That is it for this video. That's how you can download and save videos from Pinterest. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.